Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got my bloom paints out. I've been marking my containers with my leftovers so I know what the mixture is in them. So I thought I would use some of these up with my house paint and do a loaded palette knife swipe and have a play. Let's get started. Okay, so I freshened up my paints here just by adding a little bit of Australian Floetrol to them, just because some of them were getting a little bit thick, a little bit too thick. And I'm going to be trying this palette knife today. When I've done the loaded palette knife in the past, I found that I only get a little bit of my colour and then it runs out. So I thought if I use, instead of using this size, if I use this size, I've got more colour and it might go further. I'm going to be using my black swipe mix today, and I have added a little bit of Australian Floetrol to this as well. I might have to just shake that a little bit more. So this is my British Paints Walls interior. Oh, it's heavy. Probably going to have a few bubbles in it, so I might need to have another go at my new big torch. I've got this turned down to like the lowest setting possible because it's full on. Alright, so let's put my pillow paint down. So I hope you all had a good time celebrating the new year, and set some goals perhaps for 2024. Right, let's try this. Woo! Gosh, that is full on. Might just spread this out a little bit. Like that. So yeah, I was just a bit short on time today, but I wanted to do a painting and I thought, why don't I use stuff that I've already got made up. Okay. Oh, it's been a little while since I've done a loaded palette knife. So first I put my black paint, my black cell activator on. I don't want it this wide, so I'm just going to go up to here, so that I've got a smaller width. Or yeah, because it'll widen, and if I want to add an extra swipe, when I spin it out it'll get wider. So let's try that. So now I add on my colours. Or I've got a lot of colours to choose from. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to put a bit of this steel blue. This is like a sage, I think. Let's put a bit of pewter. And I'll put some Prussian phthalo blue on the bottom, I think. Let's go with a bright blue. And some gold. This one is champagne gold, I think. Jeez, I'm doing well to start. I'm starting to know the colours, which is kind of cool. That's what you get for being doing it for a year. A bit of that dark colour underneath. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm happy. Let's have a go. I'm happy. That's cool. Alright, I'm going to use this again, maybe. Shall I stick with the same colours, or I might add a bit of the brighter green in this time? The bright blue is really nice, so definitely having that in there. The steel blue looked good. The gold looks good, but it's doing a strange reaction. So I might just go a little bit easy on that one. Get some of the sage green in there. And my Prussian phthalo blue. Alright, might come this way. Not sure about that. So I think that's it for this palette knife. And I'm going to get something smaller. That's quite pretty. I'm just thinking about how I want to do this. Just going to put a couple of colours down here. And do just my stock standard swipe. And let's get some of this Prussian phthalo blue. Can I try it? Nice. I like that. Let's get a bit of scoop and dragging happening, huh? So that's got a bit of the gold in it. Alright, I think I'm happy to try that. That's going to come off. I kind of like it. Maybe I should bring it back this way. Alright, let's give it a spin. It did come off. might need a bit of white paint over here. Looks like we're missing a lot of paint, white paint. Alright, so what I do in these situations, just tip a little bit on the ground here, and then I scoop it up and place it where I need it. Ooh. This one looks pretty good. Alright, let's give it another spin. Okay. Let's do some tilting. Sorry guys. Actually, I'm liking that a bit better with opening up those cells a lot more. So I'm going to go this way. And then I'll come back. Something like that. This here, let's try one of my old tricks. Give it a little spin. I don't know. Not quite right. Some bits I really like. What I might end up doing, because I want to experiment with texture and embossing. Embossing? No, that's not the word, is it? I want to have a go with texture this year, so I might add texture through there. Cover that bit up. I'm not really happy with it. Add something a bit interesting. I don't know. I will bring you in for the wet result. Or will I? Got a bit of colour here. Oh, I like that. So I just grabbed that from the side. that dripped off. Don't know. Can't fix that. It's not enough room, not enough paint. Something I need to practice. Okay, here is the dry result. I quite like it this way. And have a look at this gold here. It's very pretty. And it's got a bit of the shine up through there as well. So the only thing that I'm probably not too happy with is this section through here. I mean, this is really pretty. The different colour blues through there. Got the bright blue in the corner. But yeah, I want you guys to give me an idea of what I should do through there. I think I could probably still salvage it. I've thought about maybe painting some solid white through there with a brush, or maybe adding texture through there. Yeah, not really sure. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me some tips and tricks and suggestions would be great. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.